Increasing numbers of structural panels are being fitted to industrial building facades using edge parts to connect them to the corners. Currently, these are secured using blind rivets. REISSER has developed the Edge Part Screw 4.8 to make this whole process faster and more efficient. So today, Armin and I are presenting Screw versus Rivet.
Okay, let's go.
When using the rivet, first of all we have to drill the hole, but we can insert the screw directly. Ready? So I'm drilling the edge part screw directly into the sheet metal. There, done. While Armin is using the drill, there is the risk that it will run off-center or break through the sheet metal and hit the edge part. In both of these cases, the edge part is ruined. Next, Armin must use pliers to clamp the rivet and insert it into the drill hole. Come on, Armin, where have your pliers gone? While he is sorting that, I can tell you a bit more about the screw. As you can see, the screw allows for quick and easy application as well as providing increased extraction and shear forces. Our small, delicate screw head provides a neater finish and doesn't damage the vapor barrier in the warm roof. To increase efficiency, the edge part screw can also be used in a magazine screwdriver for working with large quantities. In any case, the appropriate drive is included in every pack to ensure centered fastening.
Done.
Yeah, I mean, you were pretty fast, but still a lot slower.
I think the screw probably beats the rivet.